As a first year student, our days typically start at 9 a.m. So I usually wake up around 7:30. We usually have classes from 9 to 10:30, a break from 10:30 to 11, followed up by a second class from 11 to 12:30. And then in the afternoon, on Wednesdays, we have community health, which is where we're actively going out in the community and learning about the problems that may occur in different neighborhoods. And then Tuesdays or Thursdays, we might have anatomy lab or clinical preceptorships where we get a chance to actually shadow physicians that are specialties in whatever field they're in. I typically wrap my day up around 5 p.m. Once I finish, I know that there's so much information that's been like in my brain, so I typically have to like rest it a little bit. So I will go to the gym or maybe take like a 20-minute nap, or I'll take a moment to meditate. But I think, having those breaks are really important just to like give your brain a rest every now and then. And then when I wake up or finish working out, I just get straight to studying. You're not always going to have great days, but I think what kind of keeps me going and allows me to wake up every single day and get back at it is the actual curiosity to learn more and more and apply that to the future patient that I may have. The fact that I'm still getting up and going at it, like a testament to like where I'm trying to go.